What is it that we look for in a home? Connectivity, luxury, amenities. Our needs are so simple. Garden and pools. Even playgrounds. Close to office? Where can we get it all? For the answer lies within your reach. Welcome. Welcome to Pebbles Urbania. A land where all wishes come true. Now before you get too confused, let us clear all your doubts. Getting late to work every day, doesn't that happen to most? Well, now it's easy. It isn't gonna happen. Close proximity, accessibility and a reach out like no other. Ever dreamed of a home so luxurious? Can simply relax, expand, and hey, even show off? Branded flooring and fixtures? Sleek paints? And solar heaters? Can't just take your eyes off, can you? Wondering where the amenities went? Well, not to worry, we got them too. Whatever age you may be, you get the benefits. Sports zones, pools, exotic gardens, spiritual centers, aromatherapy. What more do you need? Well, for now you need to visit Pebbles Urbania. Anything you desire, we design. Anything you ask for, we listen. Pebbles Urbania. Homes you asked for.